What is up, my dudes? And that one girl loves Renaissance Fair so much she searches anything on the internet that has to do with dragons. This is Bikes, Beers, and Brews. Let's get that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we take this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos come weekly. Ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on Cardo Communicator, or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear, or on some Hogworks gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-goodness like these cool guys here? Boom! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Wonder why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link explaining what I do with your money. Get it? Got it? Cool. Let's move on. Alright guys, so today we are in Tazewell, Virginia. We are currently on the back of the Dragon. Ahead of me is Dave. Dave, say hello.
What's up, party people? How are we doing this morning?
Oh yeah. Behind me is Sean, Jerry, and Nick from Technic Rides. Sean, say hello.
Hello! Good morning from Tazewell.
Jerry, say hello.
Hey!
Nick, say hello.
Hello! How's it going?
So, this is actually going to be a fun day because this is part of Dave's first really big road trip. And this is his first time on the back of the Dragon. So, like Sean did for me last year, we put Dave right up front so he can set the pace, he can see everything, and, you know, really take in that ride. So that's what we're doing right now. We have non-stop rain in the forecast, so yay. We're hoping to get through this dry, but that remains to be seen. We'll see. Last year was awesome because we had that like fog on the road and stuff, and it looked like, I don't know, dragon's breath. Hopefully we get something similar to that this time around because, again, that looked awesome. But hang with us. We're going to ride through this. We're going to have a good time and go from there. Let's go.
One hella moist morning as the rain threatens a new attack. That early morning fog, like a dragon's breath, is clinging to Route 16, whispering, come at me, bro. But we've got iron horses, 5 engines set to roar. Through Tazewell, Virginia, and we're waking up the neighbors. 30 miles of asphalt cutting through the mountains. 400 twists and turns, making grown men smile. Leading the pack is some guy named Dave on his snake venom road king. While Bikes, Beers, and Brews brings darkness on his road glide special. Minnow Moto is leaning deep into the bend on his heretic with usage, classic with your usage, bringing the bat wing. Carbon so precise and drop way in the back is punishment for bringing in your motorcycles. Technic rides, we grip the bars, we feel the road, we feel the engine hum. Ready for the madness of what's about to come. 5 guys, one road, it's a beautiful sight. Carving up the Dragon in the morning light. Yeah, 5 guys, one road, it's just like 2 girls, 1 cup. But you don't have to go to HR when you show your buddies on Monday morning. No meetings with the bosses, no awkward office stairs. Just 5 guys riding, no, not the ones who make burgers and fries. 400 epic turns, 400 turns of hell, yeah! There ain't another highway in the world quite like this. Hairpin turns is highway in the quite like this. Hairpin pink turns and switchbacks back to back. Your heart is beating heavy through the hemlocks and the pines. Tazewell's got the Dragon, but we've got the steel. The ultimate test of how a man should feel. From the valleys to the peaks, we push the limits high. We're leaving all our troubles beneath the mountain sky. 5 guys, one road, it's a beautiful sight. Carving up the Dragon in the morning light. Yeah, 5 guys, one road, it's just like 2 girls, 1 cup. But you don't have to go to HR when you show your buddies on Monday morning. No meetings with the bosses, no awkward office stairs. Just 5 guys riding, no, not the ones who make burgers and fries. So here's to the Dragon and the 32 miles we tame. And the 5 crazy riders that the blacktop renamed. Bikes, Beers, and Brews, just and pick, made a bikes. 100 turns. And not a single trip to HR.
these guys are checking me out. What's up, boys?
Nick, were you here when the cow was in the road?
No.
When we were doing this, we rode this. I can't remember which one it was. A couple years ago.
Yeah.
And Jersey Nick.
It might have been Jersey Nick.
Yeah, he's the one that came across it first, but there was a fucking cow just walking down the middle of this road.
Oh my gosh.
That's awesome. Dave, how you liking this so far?
Oh, I love it. I'm just being a little extra cautious because of the water on the road.
Oh yeah,
Totally.
Yeah,
fair.
that's fine. That's fine. This is fucking cool, man. I love the views, man. Like, yeah, this makes the Gangamangas look fucking flat and straight.
We're at one of the stops just before the Hungry Mother State Park. We're debating on rain gear. We're going to go without just because it looks like it's clear enough. But yeah, it's very gray, very gray. But we're still going to do this.
One hella moist morning as the rain threatens a new attack. That early morning fog, like a dragon's breath, is clinging to Route 16, whispering, "Come at me, bro." But we've got iron horses, 5 engines set to roar. Through Tazewell, Virginia, and we're waking up the neighbors. 30 miles of asphalt cutting through the mountains. 400 twists and turns, making grown men smile. Leading the pack is some guy named Dave on his snake venom road king. Wild bikes, beards, and brews brings darkness on his road glide special. Minnow Moto is leaning deep into the bend on his heretic with use of bitch. Classic with your goosey, bringing the bat wing. Carbon so precise and drop way in the back is punishment for bringing in your motorcycle. Technic rides, we grip the bars, we feel the road, we feel the engine hum. Ready for the madness of what's about to come. 5 guys, 1 road, it's a beautiful sight. Carving up the dragon in the morning light. Yeah, 5 guys, 1 road, it's just like 2 girls, 1 cup. But you don't have to go to HR when you show your buddies on Monday morning. No meetings with the bosses, no awkward office stairs. Just 5 guys riding, no, not the ones who make burgers and fries. 400 epic turns, 400 turns of hell, yeah. Tazewell's got the dragon, but we've got the steel. The ultimate test of how a man should feel. From the valleys to the peaks, we push the limits high. We're leaving all our troubles beneath the mountain sky. 5 guys, 1 road, it's a beautiful sight. Carving up the dragon in the morning light. Yeah, 5 guys, 1 road, it's just like 2 girls, 1 cup. But you don't have to go to HR when you show your buddies on Monday morning. No meetings with the bosses, no awkward office stairs. Just 5 guys riding, no, not the ones who make burgers and fries. So here's to the dragon and the 32 miles we tame, and the 5 crazy riders that the blacktop renamed. Like spirits and brews, you Sam Picks, man, like spirits and brews, you Sam Picks, man, I'm some guy named Dave, and technic ride stood toe to toe with the dragon. We conquered the breath, we conquered the curves on a Harley Davidson with ironclad nerves. Yeah, 32 miles, 400 turns, and not a single trip to HR.
Dave, you made it to the end. How you feeling?
Great. What a beautiful, beautiful ride, man. Lots of turns. Makes the Kangamangas Highway look flat and straight.
It's definitely a whole different animal up here, for sure. Yeah, so you enjoying the ride? You ready to go back the other way now?
Let's do it.
All right, let's
Getting
go.
hungry. Getting hungry. Let's eat.
All right, we are at the back of the dragon. Dave has succeeded. He has gone both to and fro on the back. How'd you like it?
Man, what an experience. So awesome.
So you ready for some more riding down here?
Let's keep it going.
We did manage to stay dry as well, so that's a plus. Even though Dave was a little worried, rain gear. So
Can you blame me?
it's all good. We are definitely working on not getting moist. But yeah, that's what we've got. What do you got? Sound off in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know who's like, I want to battle a dragon. There you go. Bring it on, bro. Loves this stuff. Trust me, and I'll see you all on the flip side.